Hey, it's Angry Admin here, and today I want to talk about the CLI ESXi patching. I have a bit of high fever, so sorry about my voice. Let's have a look. First of all, I want to show you my new graphic block interface. It looks more as my game Hack Me Now. I hope you like it. On the top, you have the social links, and this is a new HMN Hack Me Now link to my game. Anyway, today we are going to command line ESXi patching. I wrote that article yesterday, and I will show you today how to operate. As I said, the difference between casual CLI patching and professional one is how you control workflow. Everyone can run this command, ESXCLI software profile update, and reboot. The controlled workflow is what lets you prove afterwards that you knew the state going in, you had a rollback, and you validate the state coming out. The beauty of this blog post is that you can try yourself in this page. This is the small lab over here, and you can type the commands, or you can just click the stages. And you can check what's going on step by step. One thing, don't forget to click on wishlist on Steam for Hack Me Now.
You've learned to see through mirrors.
And now, this is a gem. Patching Lab. If you click on Patching Lab over here, or on the top of the menu, ESX Patching Lab, either way, you will get the home lab ready for you to play around. And you can read about ESX 8, 7, and 9. Remember the ESX lifecycle warning? You can check all the steps, and you can run the lab. You can run simulated lab, of course. So this is safe environment for you to play with, to get familiar with patching, ESXi patching, like a pro using CLI. Alright, so let me know what you think. Leave a comment, leave a like, and share with your friends. This is free resources from Angry Sysops, Angry Admin for you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.